Android's developer options for speed. Developer options are usually turned on to optimize your phone's performance by tweaking developer options. Who doesn't like their phone to be working super fast and on its optimum performance? So for that purpose, head over to your settings and head over to your About Phone or My Phone section. And from there, you're going to head over to the build number and tap on that number 7 times to enter developer mode. And from there, once developer mode is already accessed, we're going to head over to our system and click on to the developer options. Now from the developer options, all you have to do is navigate to the adjust animation scales to make the phone feel faster. We're gonna find the animation. There's a lot of stuff here. Gonna head over to the window animation scale, the transition animation scale, animator duration scale, stimulate secondary scale. We're gonna see whichever, you're gonna select that and see the animation scale that you want to adjust it to, and make sure that they align with the one that is the fastest. And this is how you can adjust and change the animation scales to make the phone feel faster.